All right, hello everyone. My name is Wouter and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Lanced. So you're looking at another video of how to use Lanced. Today I'm going to explain very quickly how you can create a portfolio in Lanced. So basically we are here in your dashboard again, and this is where if you go to the left, you see portfolios in your side panel. Now you click portfolios. Now you click portfolios and you get into your portfolio space. Now you can already see that I have two different portfolios, but today we're going to create a new one. So you click create new. All right, so here we go and first start off with what types of job do you do and what types of sector do you work. So we start with the category. Let's say I work in dance. Let's say it's more creative, not educational, and my occupation is I'm a choreographer, let's say. I can type in some skills, creating. Just click enter and you go next. You can type in as many skills as you want. Then you continue into your previous experience. This is basically like building your resume, right? So let's say I was a choreographer at company XYZ, location London, and you can just set some dates. Let's just do quickly some dates, and you have to click add experience. So every time when this guy pops up, you know that you have put in your experience. So you can keep continuing to add and add and add experience. Same goes for program. So let's say I did a Bachelor of Dance. These dates, just very easy. School, school X, location Amsterdam, add, and you're gonna see that this pops again. All right, so then you're gonna go up here and we're gonna continue to the next step. This is basically a little biography about this specific portfolio. So it's not your entire biography, but it's just like a few sentences and a few words, like how would you describe yourself in this case for me as a choreographer? You know, like what do I focus on? So yeah, you can just kind of like type in stuff here. Then below you see the pricing. Now we want to create a platform where we do talk about pricing and we do talk about rates. So there is different ways how you can go here. You can actually, if it's a really specific skill, like if you teach class, you say, okay, I want this amount of euros per class. But otherwise, like you can say, oh, I do it on negotiation, or I have an hourly rate, or I have freelance rates, or on offer. So here I rewrote some ideas for you to kind of like take in this pricing, but be as precise as possible so that people know what you want, also know your worth. So let's say I want 500 euros. All right, so we continue, and this is where the fun part starts, because we can already see what types of media we have. Now, let's say I want to continue. I want to use that one. I want to use that one. I want to use that one. You can basically click and select which media you want to add to this portfolio, right? And then you can even add new media. You can upload new media down below. It works pretty much the same as how we show in this other video of how you can upload media. So then you are finished and you just click submit. And now you can see what your portfolio looks like. So basically here, this is the name of my portfolio. I'm a choreographer. So basically this is where you type in a bit more about like who you are as a choreographer and so on and so on. Skills, there will be appearing more skills. If you add more, you see your media. And down here you have some timelines where you can see what your experience was and your education. If you can edit, you can edit the same back, and there it is, your choreographer's it's the same picture, but it's the choreographer's portfolio is right here. All right, so when we look at the public profile, you can see here what types of portfolios you have, and here's my choreographer portfolio, and it's exactly the same as everything what we put in there. So this is basically a way of how you can sell different skills and sell different services through Lens, and also share different types of portfolios at the same time. So yes, that was how you create a portfolio in a nutshell. Thank you for watching and see you at the next video.